How to put border design on Google Docs page. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the two methods that you can use as per your requirements. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, here you can see this is my page border. I can write on it like this. Show rulers. Okay guys, so here you can see I can write the proper. Okay, so let me show you the full process. So just come to your Google Docs, go to the file, go to the page setup, and here you need to set up the page like 0.2 top, 0.2 bottom, left 0.2, and right also 0.2. It is a margin for your page. Okay, so margin has been set. Now the first method, you can use the drawing option. Go to the insert, go to the drawing, go to the new, and here go to the shape. Under the shape you need to click this option rectangle and just draw the rectangle size. Now just click into it and just come to the this color option, and you need to click on transparent. Okay, now go to save and close. Now just click on that border. Okay, and just click on this behind text options, and under the moving with the text we need to click on this fixed position on the page. Okay, now you able to just now just drag all corner and try to fix on the page, try to fix full on the page. Okay, okay, it's just done. Now you can see. Okay, now again double click on it, uh, select the border. Now you can change the border color, the border thickness, and you can also change the design border style. Okay, just click and save. Now you can see the border has been done. Okay, once you customize, just change the size again, resize again. Now you can see, now you able to write into this design. Okay, so this is the first method. Second method, if you want more design it border, then just go to the uh, Google and search for free copyright images, and you can use anything, any of these website. I use this Pixabay and search for page border. Now you can see the lots of page border here. Okay, you have to search the border. Okay, okay guys, so here I got this border. Okay, you can download it, it's free. Okay, just download it, just copy it, come to the okay, this is image, this is not border I think. Okay, let me check this. You can download from here, it is free. Okay, you can download free. Okay, or simply copy from here and paste here. Okay, and now just click on this option behind the text. Okay, now just drag it. Okay, and you can click on this fixed position on page. Now you can drag it. just try to fix within the page. Okay, so it is fixed now. You can crop if you want. Okay, it's done now. Okay, you can change the margin now as per your design. Okay, you can change the margin from here. And you can start writing. Okay, so that is how you can put the design border in Google Docs. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.